Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to log into your Life360 account. For that, just open your Life360 app and then you have to tap on already have an account ? And there you will see sign in button. Tap on sign in. There you have to enter your phone number and then tap on continue button, and then you'll get a code on your WhatsApp. You just need to check it on 628, and after that tap on continue button. Now it will ask you for some location permission and tap on that and give it permission. Now you can see their premium package. If you want to start free trial, tap on start free trials and give your details, and if you don't want, just tap on this cross button that will be on your top right corner and tap on this allow button to give them access. And now it will take you to their settings, and now you need to give them all these access and tap on begin setup, and that is how you can log into your Life360 app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.